Welcome to All About Pins. Whether you're a parent, coach, or team organizer who needs trading pins this season, here's exactly how to design them the right way. With these 3 easy steps, you can turn your trading pin idea into a reality. Here's how it works. It all starts with you sending us your idea by filling out our free quote form. You can start by choosing from one of our popular trading pin templates or create something completely custom by sending us your team name, colors, and logo. We have professional artists that will provide recommendations and help you design the coolest pins on the field that everyone will want to trade with free design and unlimited revisions. Now let's talk about size, plating, and upgrades. Most teams choose between 1.5 to 3 inches for their trading pins. Once you've locked in the right size, you can customize your look with popular finishes like high polished gold, high polished silver, or black metal. And if you want to stand out even more, upgrade your pins with features like glitter, spinners, sliders, and more. Once you are happy with your trading pin design that you will receive within 24 hours, you'll approve it and we will move forward with production. In 1 to 3 weeks, you'll have your pins ready to trade on game day. At All About Pins, real people are here to make your trading pin idea into a reality. With free design help, fast production, and free shipping, we make custom trading pins easy and stress-free. Start your custom trading pin project today. It's free and our team is here to help.